Hey YouTube, walk on. So today we're gonna change the battery on a Volkswagen CC. I'm not gonna change it. She will. But what I'm gonna do is give the instruction. So let's see how well she follow instructions. So first, you can put that on the ground. So first you gotta open the hood. Here's the key. Okay, so the battery is not dead. So try to start the car. Let me see what happens. Okay, so alright, stop. Alright, so you can hear the battery is weak for sure. Alright, come around and open the hood. So it's weak, but it's not weak enough to open the. It can still open the door. So where is your battery located at? There you go. Right here. Get some gloves on. What happened? So we're gonna take that out, put it one side.
Thank you.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now, wind the window up because we're gonna take the battery out and the car gone dead and the window's down.
But it's not going up when you turn it on. It's just winding it down.
You're winding it down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Put it on.
what I'm gonna do is
Let me see.
I'm gonna get the window up. I'm gonna jump the car and get the window up. Alright, so what you're gonna do now is get your 10mm from here. Let me help you. Alright, this is a 10mm too. But if you want, you can just use this. Kind of get to this. And what you want to take off first is your negative cable. Just push it hard. Alright. Then you want to take off your negative cable first.
This one?
That's positive. So the plus stands for. Alia, stop. The plus stands for
Positive.
positive, and the minus sign stands for negative.
So we take negative off.
Wow. Yeah. Take the negative out first. Don't make it touch that. Don't make nothing touch this. So use your two hand. Use one hand. Use this hand. Hold right here. And use this one. Hold it over here. You ratchet it. You can go back and forth like this. Try not to make it touch this. All the way around, you can just go back and forth. You can do it like this. Alright, that's it. Alright, take that off. And then rock this. You want to rock this and take that off.
Like this?
Yeah, take it out, pull it up. Shake it and pull it up. Pull up on it at the same time, yeah, shake it.
I think come in.
You see? Rack it and pull it out.
Jesus! I'm blue.
Just look and pull up on it like that. Pull it up. Alright. Get that out. Take it, put it over there, son.
You can still touch it?
Yeah, but you don't need it to touch it. I can put it over here, so I can put it right there. So for the time being, do the same thing for the negative, for the positive side now. Alia, stop.
You help mommy?
Alright, that look close enough. You the point is just to get it loose.
Alright, so pull it.
And shake it and take it out.
Shake this part?
Pull up on it. Pull up on it like, don't be afraid. Hold it and pull it, it's not gonna break. You're just being so gentle. Alright, so no, that's off. So now you're gonna put it should be 13 millimeter. You see that right there? So get the 13 millimeter. I'll probably put it there, so.
7.
Alright, it's quarter inch. It's close to 13. I don't feel like it on it. Hold on. Oh, you got it. You got it, girl. Go. If you can't spin it free by hand, all you have to do is take this part off, all this part, and then you just spin it free like this, and it'll go faster.
I gotta come all the way out there.
Yeah. That's all the way up. Now you gotta take it up. Yeah, and carry something to take it up. Don't drop it. Take up that first, and then you can take up the other one. Take up the other one.
The thing in the bottom?
Yeah, don't make it drop. Just take it up. Alright, so now is the heavy part. You want to take out the watch it?
Okay.
So these are handles. Let's see if you got muscle. Let's see if you got muscle.
Where are you putting this?
On the ground. Don't put it on the ground. What? So what we're gonna do now is put these in the car, and then we're gonna go to AutoZone and get the battery. What that do to that, Ricardo? Yes, sir?
Yes, I gotta put that in here.
Yeah.
And that thing in the bottom here, they don't matter.
No.
So inside.
You want help? Or you got it? Put it right here so first.
This
Alright,
is the
so,
positive side, I remember, on that side, and the negative side over there.
Alright, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. So now we need to clean the terminal. Which
This thing?
yeah, see a dirty. Because sometimes the corrosion will make you don't start to.
So we clean it.
Alright, so what you gonna do now? Take out a black plastic piece there. Yeah, just pull up on it. Just pull up on it. Yeah. It's gonna come out like that. You can put this right here. You're gonna get this piece. This.
Put it on the other side.
Mm-hmm. No, if you go, it all the battery, so yeah, just like that. That's good. Then you put the screw through the middle now. And turn it. Good. Alright, tighten it down a little bit. So you just snug it up like this.
I I gotta put this back in it.
Yeah. I'm gonna spin this part now to change the direction.
Which side do you go? This side?
Yeah. No. Every time you hear a click, it just resetting. So just no, that good. Leave it. Yeah. When you click, nothing now go down. It's not turning anything. But when you not click, it a turn the screw. Yeah. Yeah. So do it just like that. You not forget right around that. Not if you clicking, it's not turning the screw. So if you're moving it and it not click, that's when the bolt turning. So like that is not turning anything. So turn it the other way. Yes. I remember me tell her it can go back and forth. So
I see it turning.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright, you don't have to break it. Let's snug it up. Let's see. We'll just double check your work, you know. See if it's still in pass. Alright, that's good. So now what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put on our positive cable. So you gotta pull off the black piece. Alright, put it away.
We keep that part?
No. Alright.
Is it safe to go on there?
Yep.
Just like that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I gotta get a 10mm.
Yeah. You might have to open this a little bit more so you can use a finger and turn this. Alright, that's good. Right. Push it down. Make sure. And you can use this and tap it a little bit.
On top?
Yeah. Yeah, so you go down flush. Tap it somewhere. Alright, so that's good. And now
The 10?
10mm. Watch bro. Watch bro.
Which one is the 10 there?
Don't let me down, you know. The other way. Yeah.
Alright, this is...
Trish, it's called a ratchet handle for a reason.
So turn it, sir?
Like,
But you say hold up here, right?
yeah, and then ratchet it back and forth. Like that. That's how you use it. Right,
Yeah, let's talk to me now.
That's good. You feel tight?
Yes.
Let's make sure it's snug up. Alright, take it off. Like, take it off. Take it off. Shake this back and forth. Make sure it's not loose. Look tight enough.
Solid.
It's solid. Alright, put back this cover, a black piece there.
Yeah, you should rise up too quiet. Yeah, baby.
Hey, this channel, we don't question this channel, no?
Are you gonna edit that part?
I'm not editing nothing.
I do. Hey, wake it to me.
So you have something down there, so you have to push it down till it click. Make sure you go down in there, so. You see 2 foot them down there, so. And you see 2 hold them. So if you try click it in there, so. Alright, so that's good. What we're gonna do next?
Oh yeah, actually,
Yeah.
put on the negative side.
Don't be scared. It's because the car have so much computers, so you just search and draw the thing them. Sorry. Yeah, you're
I can't touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. Tap it down a little bit, just. But remember now, since you connect that, don't make the tool.
It touch there.
Okay.
So tap it down on this side, innit? Is that right?
I run it here. So just ratchet it back and forth. Just like that.
Right.
Tight. Alright. off. Check your thing. Check it. Make sure you're tight. Rock your terminal side to side. That's tight?
Yeah.
Alright, no, so get your key.
What key?
Moment of truth. So you're gonna have the ABS light on and the steering light on, but because it just take out the battery, that's why that go on. But once you drive the car, it's gonna turn off. So turn off the car back. All right, and then you're gonna come around here and put back the cover. The reason why it sparks so much is because it did have on the four-way flasher and the connected battery side sparks so much. Squeeze this part, take it off. Squeeze it and take it out. That part first. Yeah. There you go. There you go.
I should edit all these things, you know.
Nope. Wait. Alright, go ahead, close it.
Alright, so now I can slam it?
Yeah. There you go. Now we gotta drive it to make sure the light turn off.